Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we are going to be unboxing the umbrella accessory on the BABYZEN YOYO Plus. So I got this on loan from BABYZEN Hong Kong. Thank you to them for giving us not only the stroller to do our assembly video, which you can check out over here, and also some accessories for these videos. So this is the gray parasol, which unfortunately does not match our ginger cover, but that's okay because we're just doing it for educational purposes. And so this one is rated for up to 50 plus UPF, which is also the same rating on the canopy on the stroller, and it's good for not only the 6+ month configuration but also the 0+ one for newborns, as well as the car seat attachment. So basically no matter what, it works with the same frame, and these are all kind of interchangeable bases. So let's open this guy up. I actually already did the tape, and take a look. Oops, I dropped it. So we have two pieces, basically the umbrella, and we have this plastic clip-on thing that goes onto the frame with the Yo-Yo logo. And on the umbrella, it's not a huge umbrella, but you can see it's pretty nice and snaps open, and it has a flexible kind of spring-loaded thing here on the base so that it can be slightly adjustable. Okay, so let's fit this guy on and see it in action. So it goes on this side rail, the one with the Yo-Yo logo on it, and I found that if you just kind of try to clip it on from the bottom first towards the back, and then slightly bend this thing, and then you can slide it forward until it gets in place. There we go. So yeah, you can basically put it right over the existing Yo-Yo logo, and then this thing just kind of snaps in place and can be released by pushing this tab. So let's snap this guy in, and now it's locked in place, and it's pretty simple. So you can adjust it by pressing this button. So you can adjust it if you're parked in the sun somewhere, you want it blocking more towards the front, you can put it that way, and it is slightly bendable as well. And then now let's put it in. There we go. Okay, so now my kid is completely protected from the sun. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You can also fold it out of the way, so you can fold it all the way down, so it can be completely out of the way as well for loading and unloading the kids. So that's basically it. And if you want to take it out, this part just comes out, and then you can store it underneath. This thing can just fit underneath, and this thing you can leave on until maybe you don't need it. Should just snap off like that. So not super easy, but again, not too hard. You don't want to break it, but this is pretty durable ABS plastic, so it should be fine. Let's just see. If I get better at it, probably do it even easier the second time. Okay, so that's basically it for the parasol, umbrella, whatever you want to call it, attachment for the BABYZEN YOYO Plus. Thanks again to BABYZEN Hong Kong for lending us this stroller and these accessories for these videos. One other thing, if you're going to get a BABYZEN YOYO Plus, make sure you get a legitimate one. There's a lot of fakes out there. Stay away from them. They're junk. Make sure you get it from an authorized retailer. Okay, so that's it for today on the Clueless Dad. See you guys next time. Bye. Having the stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. Literally that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.